and welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabiola if you don't know me, and I create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos here on my channel. And I would really love it if you consider subscribing, click the notification bell, and follow me on social media. I'll leave you all those links down there below. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's video. So today I am back with a what's in my bag video, and I decided to switch up my bag. One, because today is the first day of fall. It's my favorite season. And two, I am going back to work, you guys. I am so excited to finally be able to interact with other people. And I am just very excited. I am a little bit nervous as well, but I'm excited to feel a little bit more normal, if you know what I mean. But I did switch up my bags, and the bag that I'm going to be using as like a work bag and an everyday bag is going to be my Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM in the Damier Azur. And I got this purse a couple months ago, and I haven't really been using it because it's just a little bit too big to what I'm used to using, and I was just kind of sticking to my crossbodies and my Neverfull PM, which is my favorite. But I thought this would be a perfect bag to use as a work bag and everyday bag, since I am going to be with all my kids, and it just fits so much. So I'm excited to finally start getting some more use out of this. So it does have this beautiful pink interior, and that is the main reason why I got it, because of the pink. It's just so pretty, and the color is just beautiful. So let me show you very quickly what's inside. So I do have a organizer, and I carry this organizer all the time with this purse, because if it doesn't have an organizer, it kind of sags and it doesn't have shape. And then also when you try to stand it up, it kind of won't stand on its own. So I always keep the organizer in there, and these are very inexpensive, and they have so many different colors. But I do have it in pink, which matches the interior, and it is super full, you guys. It's pretty heavy. So let me show you what I have inside and what I'm going to be carrying. So the number one thing that I always carry all the time, except when I have my crossbodies because they're too small, is my planner. And if you're a mom, you know you need a planner because you have so many things to do. And if I don't have my planner, I literally forget what I'm supposed to be doing. I write down my appointments, everything in here. So I got this planner from Hobby Lobby, and it's so pretty. It says babes support babes, and I love this little planner because it has like little tabs, and it has really beautiful like illustrations inside. I also got these cute little paper clips right here. I also got those at Hobby Lobby, and they're just super cute. It keeps everything like in place. You can always like clip in papers or anything extra that you have, so I always carry this. So also in here I do have my wallet, and this is my wallet that I use. This is the Louis Vuitton mini pochette. I got this a couple years ago for my birthday, and I know it's kind of hard to get online, but it's still available, so just keep checking, because there was a couple pieces that I ended up finding at Louis Vuitton, and they were always sold out, but I always try to like refresh my screen, so keep an eye out because these do come out once in a while. So this one's the mini pochette, and I always carry this with me. And as you can see, the kettle lining here has darkened quite a bit compared to this one, since I really haven't used it as much, so it's definitely very dark. But I've had this for a few years, and it fits so much in here. You can even use this as a little crossbody, which I have used in the past and love it. But this is where I carry like all my cards and my change and all that stuff. So also in here, I always carry my vlogging camera. This comes with me like everywhere. I love this camera. This is the Canon G7X, and I love this camera. It's perfect for vlogging. The little screen here flips up if you want to use it as a vlogging camera. It flips down. And I got this pink case from Amazon. I'll link it down there below, but it's so handy because it just kind of protects the camera, and it also looks really pretty. So I'll link it down there below in case you guys are interested. So also in here I do have my car keys. Here's my keys with this adorable little keychain that my friend gave me. And I also always carry my sunglasses. I cannot drive without sunglasses. I get like migraines. So the sunglasses that I have right now are these here. These are the Miu Miu sunglasses, and I love these glasses so much. They're so pretty and so girly. They have like rhinestones all around, and I am just like loving these sunglasses. So I always carry sunglasses with me. I also always carry a perfume, and the perfume that I have is from Scentbird. This one here is the Prada Candy, but these are so handy because you can just literally put them in your bag. I also have my charger here for my laptop. So my kids are going to be doing like remote learning, and I'm going to be carrying like my computer with me so they can use it. So I also have the wristlet, and this wristlet actually comes with the tote bag. And this one here is pretty big, and it's really pretty as well. It has the pink interior, and it's in this gorgeous print, which I love. And this is such a nice, handy little wristlet. You can use it on its own as a wristlet like this, as a clutch. So in here, I carry just like a couple lip glosses. And the two glosses that I have that I'm currently loving and obsessing about is the Kylie Jenner lip gloss. This was in the color Snatched, and it's a super glossy color. It's so pretty and it's so pigmented. I'm like loving this. And then I'm also using this one. This one is the Too Faced Lip Injection Lip Gloss. This one is in the shade Paid Off. But I have been like loving these, and I'm really not a lip gloss person like at all. I always love using like lipstick and matte lipsticks, but lately I've been like obsessing with these. They're so pretty and they're just like so shiny. So I have that in there, and then I also have a little hair tie, and these hair ties are like my favorite. I forgot the name on these, but they are wonderful because they don't like damage your hair. So that's what I have inside this little pouch. I don't carry too much in there. So also in here, I do have something very important. I have my Motrin, and I do get migraines quite a bit, so I always carry Motrin with me. That is everything in this bag, and it's such a spacious bag. You can fit so many things in here, and I try to keep it simple because I don't want to carry like too much in my bag. Otherwise it's gonna like drive me crazy. But I did want to mention this little pom-pom here. I got this from Amazon, and it's so pretty. It's like so fuzzy, and it was very inexpensive. I'll link it down below. It does come in multiple colors. I know a lot of people have been asking where the pom-pom is from, so it's definitely from Amazon. I'll link the seller down there below. So that was it, you guys. Everything in my work bag. I am so ready to be back to work. So also, I wanted to let you guys know about an amazing giveaway that me and 5 other friends are doing. The giveaway is on Instagram, and I'll leave the link to the post down below. Basically, all you have to do is go to Instagram, like the picture, follow the instructions, follow me and then the 5 other girls. But the giveaway prize, you guys, it's so amazing, and I'm just very excited for whoever wins this giveaway. There's a lot of beautiful things in it, so go ahead and check it out. If you guys don't have Instagram, I will be hosting a huge giveaway probably by November or maybe like beginning of December. So stay tuned because I will be doing a humongous giveaway on YouTube. So stay up to date for that. But go ahead and check out the one that's on right now on Instagram. I'll leave you everything down there below. So I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.